Introduce highlight features or overview summary for TOOLCY, Pressure Washer Surface Cleaner, 24-inch flat surface cleaner for power washer, 4500 psi commercial floor attachment with 4 wheels. You can find wanted, shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include. With 2 high-pressure rotating nozzles, the 24-inch electric pressure washer surface cleaner is perfect for quick and thorough cleaning of driveways, sidewalks, decks, concrete floors and decks. Patios, and can even clean large vertical surfaces such as garage doors, fences, and more. This power washer floor cleaner has a 5000 psi pressure washer gun, the 3/8-inch QC outlet for easy connection to the connecting hose. 3/8-inch QC inlet comes with 1 hose adapter and Teflon tape. Fast connection method, you can choose from a 1/4-inch quick adapter kit, not included. The angle of the pressure washer dual handle can be adjusted according to your height, in line with ergonomic standards, so that you feel comfortable to hold during the cleaning time. 4 universal wheel casters allow you to drag the cleaning parts back and forth without hindrance, convenient and fast. Enjoy a smooth cleaning time. On the other hand, we designed the nozzle to be higher than the ground to protect the ground from scratches. This high-pressure power washing accessory will get the job done in a fraction of the time. It also can stand up to 302 degrees Fahrenheit hot water. The 304 stainless steel from the handle to the housing construction to withstand the strongest water pressure. In addition, heavy-duty stainless steel construction and fully sealed bearings will prevent clogs and leaks, not only improving product quality, but also protecting your safety. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, you can press to subscribe us, and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.